Hello guys, today I wanted to show you, here I have a Uniden phone, 5.8 gigahertz, and it does work. I got a phone line, and listen. It does work and stuff like that, and let's pick up the phone. And it has a speaker button too. Low, medium, high, maximus. And let's dial time and temp. Alright. You probably know when I'm dialing time and temp.
Today is Monday, September 7th. The current time, 1:33 p.m. And the temperature, 82 degrees.
That's it. That's the time and temp number, and I'm not going to ring it, but I can demonstrate the ringtones. I got a phone line, I already said that once. Alright, first one. Okay, and that would be it. And sorry, my phone just went off. It's not good for this one. And I hope you like this video. The pager works, everything works on it. It may look like pinkish, but it's not. Alright, let me dial, let's see. I don't know what to dial. I don't know why I was going to figure that 1-800 number, but no. Hold on. I'm getting messages right now. I'm okay. I'm getting messages right now, so that's not from today. I haven't made a video since last week. Since the day when I was last day sick. Yeah. That would be it. So you got your memory and all that stuff. Temperature goes up to 10. You got dial. Let's dial numbers. Yeah, I don't have an analyzer. I just got Cox's phone line. That's all I have and stuff like that. I wish I had an analyzer so you could just bring the phone whenever you want. So I don't just have to wake everybody up from that in that house. It's a Uniden. I don't know what the model number is on here, but too bad I can't find it. God, hold on. And that's it. That's it for this phone. If you want me to do anything else, since you can select channel. I don't think there's other phones. Listen to the dial tone. Oh, yeah.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
See, yeah, you can tell I got Cox's phone line, because Cox's phone line always does that. And it has an antenna. That's kind of rare with these phones. The base doesn't have an antenna. I wish it did, but I like these phones pretty much because they're durable. They have great quality and stuff. I don't know how far you can see. It says Uniden on the base right there. Sorry about the water, I just drank that. I drink that all the time. Alright, and thank you for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up and bye.